there. Okay, now let's stitch the back facing you on your right hand side. That's the top. So I'm going to fold it down and stitch it from the edge of the zipper and go all the way down and go across. And then we'll start finishing the waistband. But we'll do this first. It's all 5/8. Okay, let me put the pin like this so I can stitch it properly. There we go. Take my top. I cut extra, so it's a little bit long, so I'll reduce it. You have to twist the skirt in. Where the zipper is, you have to twist it in so you can finish sewing the top. And before I trim all my seam allowance, I turn it wrong side out and make sure I got it right. Okay, I had to go in a little bit more. Less than a quarter. So let me put a pin there so there we go. One more stitch. This computers, I press the wrong button. That's better. There we go. Let's see. Ooh, 9 minutes. Okay. Okay, I had to put you guys off, and I'm gonna stitch the waistband and I'll be back. So hold on.